If you want to be able to read the message somebody sent you on WhatsApp without opening the app and it being marked as read or those two blue check marks, I'll show you exactly how to do that, whether you're on an iPhone or an Android. So let's jump right in. Let's open up the WhatsApp app here, and you can see I sent myself a message and it just says hi. So the first option you have is open up WhatsApp and you'll get a little preview of it here. However, if this doesn't give you the ability to read all of it, another option you have is to tap on the U button at the bottom right. And now from here, all we're going to do is scroll down and we're looking for notifications on this list. From notifications, scroll down to the bottom and you're going to toggle on show preview. It says preview messages in text inside a new message notification. So if I toggle this on, all I need to do is swipe down from the top left and you'll be able to see I can find any of those notifications. If I get them from those messages, they'll pop up right here in those notifications and it will show the content of that message. That is your first option. However, you might not necessarily want that. And keep in mind, when you do see the notification, it might not show you all the text. Your other option is to tap the back arrow and then tap on privacy instead. Now, a cool feature on WhatsApp is you can either choose to show read receipts or not show read receipts. So you can always just choose to toggle off those read receipts, and by doing so, you can read a message and it will not be marked as read for the other person. So I can go in here, tap on it, and read those messages, and then I can always go back and then press and hold on it, and then I can hit the mark as unread. And just like that, I have read the message. I haven't sent a read receipt to the other person, so they don't know that I've read it. And I can always mark it as unread so that I know to go back and see it again. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.